I do like something a bit different, and this is a very unusual motor car. This is an Alvis TA14 Duncan Coupe. Ian Duncan was the designer of the car. He actually bodied a couple of Healeys to start with, and the owner of an Alvis dealership happened to see this, and he thought it would be rather nice to put that body on a TA14 chassis, which is what the outcome was. And there were 36 were built in total. Only a handful of survivors are known, but this was the car that was used for the press launch, promoted by none other than Kay Petre, the famous pre-war racing driver. And it's certainly very sleek. It draws styling cues from various other motor cars. Somebody suggested Bugatti Atlantic Coupe, but touches of Art Deco very much, and luxurious. And of course, being an alloy body, it's quite a lot lighter than the standard saloon, so it's quite lively. Cruises very happily around 60 plus. Beautiful green hide interior, which was done when the restoration was carried out. And of course the coach builder's plate down on the sill. I think certainly the colour really does a lot for the lines of the car. It is particularly attractive from every angle. TA14, of course, was introduced 46-47, and it was the 1.9 litre model, basically a continuation of the pre-war 1270. Although it's from earlier models, it's nice to see the traditional Alvis hair mascot on adorning the radiator cap. With the twin horns, the front does present quite a purposeful appearance. Good car for long distance touring because the boot is extremely capacious, and it's a comfortable car. It's certainly very comfortable touring for 4 people. Despite being a 2-door design, it's very easy to get into the rear. Very spacious, as I said. And that nice coach-built thunk of the door